Let's see how to install and connect your bot on WhatsApp. To get started, go to Settings, then Channels, and select WhatsApp. To connect a bot on WhatsApp or run promotional campaigns, a WhatsApp Business API is mandatory. If you're setting up WhatsApp for the first time, click Get WhatsApp API. This will open the Meta Facebook login page. Log in using your credentials and click Continue. Next, choose your business portfolio. Meta requires a Facebook business account to be linked to your WhatsApp number. You can either select an existing business account or create a new one. Here, we'll create a new business account. Click Next, enter your business details, and proceed. Then, select Add a new number. This number should not have been used on WhatsApp before. Enter the mobile number and click Next. Verify the OTP and continue. Once verified, your WhatsApp business profile will be successfully connected to WotNot. For existing users who already have a WhatsApp Business API, click on Already Have a WhatsApp API Number and select your WhatsApp API provider. Enter the credentials shared by the provider. The fields may vary depending on the provider. Save the configuration once all details are added. Now open your WhatsApp bot and go to the trigger block. From the drop-down, select the WhatsApp phone number you want to use for this bot and click Deploy to save the configuration. Finally, make sure the bot is switched on. That's it. Your bot is now live and ready to interact with users on WhatsApp.